Hello, everyone. This is Angela from Earrings by Angela, and I thank you for joining me today. We are talking about patience from our ABCs of Jewelry Making series because I really pulled out this one because it is such a needed conversation, and let's just have this quick cup of coffee real quick. That's how short it's going to be because it's going to be powerful. We're going to talk about patience. So, patience not in just with you as an artist, but now I'm really going to narrow it in. I need you to have patience with your wire. So, when you are wire wrapping, you guys, you have to train your wire to do exactly what you want, just like you would train a new puppy. And some of you may think, oh my God, that is so extreme. Absolutely not. If you check out the video on the different jewelry wire from in the different wire gauges, I talk about in there how different gauges, the thinner ones usually have a mind of their own. They're like, okay, I know what you want me to do, but I want to go this way. I want to do this. And nah, so just like the puppy, the wire is new to you. It wants to do things its way because it doesn't know what you want it to do. So it does what it wants to do. And so all the power of wire wrapping and the control you would think would be in your fingers, but that's not true. The power and the attitude of wire wrapping is in your wrist. That's where you control everything. You control how your loops are going to look, the bends in the wire that you make, the type of wraps, if it's going to be tight, if it's going to be loose, all of that is in your wrist. And so you need to have patience because they have to work together, okay? I'm so serious, you guys. I'm not kidding. It's like the wire has its own mind because guess what? You're getting it off of that spool and it's like, woohoo, I'm free. What we doing today? And you're like, hey, this is what we're doing. This is the plan. Don't go off on lunch break. I need you to keep this work going, right? So, but when you're working with the wire, because I know we want to have that control of how we bend it, how we wrap, if everything's going to go smooth or not, so it doesn't get tangled. But the last thing you want to do is choke the heck out of that wire or squeeze it and tug it so bad that you strip the wire, or some are so frail that you can break the wire if you pull too much. You have to have a relationship with your wire, so you want to be gentle, you want to be patient, and when you show that wire the love and the patience like you would your new puppy, guess what? It's going to do exactly what you want it to do because you loved on it. So that is my little tidbit lesson for you. Be patient. I'm going to add this bonus. I always say do not throw your extra wire or scrap wire away because you never know when you might just need that little piece to wrap something else with, okay? So keep that in a separate bag, a go-to bag, okay? All right, so that is today's quick lesson. Thank you for joining me. I would love to hear your thoughts about what you learned today in the comment section. So feel free to share that and share this video and invite other creatives because we are a family, right? A family of creatives. So make sure you subscribe so that you are an official family member. Okay? So thank you for joining me today and happy creating. Remember, put that love into that wire, y'all. All right. Bye-bye.